Hi, this is Sai Krishna Reddy. Welcome to General Knowledge Hub. Today's topic: continents and oceans of the Earth. First, coming to Earth. Earth is geoid in shape and it is tilted in 23.5 degrees, and Earth rotates west to east. Earth is in this manner. It's tilted 23.5 degrees and it rotates like this. When we do plane, it comes like a map, but it's not a perfect one. Why? Because it's in geoid shape. First, coming to continents, there are 7 continents, and these are largest land masses. Among them, Asia is the biggest one. It occupies 1/3 of the land masses, and second biggest is Africa, and third biggest is North America, and fourth biggest is South America, fifth biggest is Antarctica, and sixth one is Europe, and seventh one is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. For Australia, if we add several islands, it becomes Oceania. And if we consider Asia and Europe as same continent, it will become Eurasia. First, coming to Asia, in Asia we have 48 sovereign states, that is countries. And Asia, we have many biggest peaks and top 10 peaks of the world. And biggest peak is Mount Everest. And in Asia, we see largest country, that is Russia. But Russia is also present in Europe, and Europe and Russia is divided by Ural Mountains. And we see highest plateau, that is Pamir Plateau or Tibetan Plateau, present in Asia. Asia contributes about 60% of the world's population, and world's highest populous countries, that is China and India, which constitutes more than 1 billion population, is present in Asia. And in Asia, we see in downwards Indian Ocean, and in upwards we see Arctic Ocean. And in east of Asia we see Pacific Ocean. And Asia and North America are divided by Bering Strait. Coming to Africa, this is second biggest continent. We have 54 countries in Africa, and we have a biggest desert, that is Sahara Desert is present in Africa, and second biggest island, that is Madagascar, is present in Africa. Africa and Europe are separated by Mediterranean Sea. In down of Africa, we see Indian Ocean, and in east of Africa, we see Red Sea. Red Sea is surrounded by 6 countries, and a trick to remember Red Sea surrounding countries is DESSY. DESSY. SSEY. D for Djibouti, E for Eritrea, S for Saudi Arabia, and S for Sudan, E for Egypt, and Y for Yemen. Africa is also known as dark continent. In tip of Africa, we see South Africa, and we see a famous lake, that is Victoria, surrounded by Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. For remembering this surrounding of Victoria Lake, we have a trick, that is Kutta, that is Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. Okay. And coming to third biggest continent, that is North America. This was discovered by entire America was discovered by Columbus. And we have a famous country, that is USA, world's first democracy, present over here, and it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean in the west and in the east Atlantic Ocean, and it is divided from South America by Isthmus of Panama, and a artificial canal is dug over here, that is Panama Canal. And here also Asia and Europe is divided by Isthmus of Suez, and Suez Canal is dug over here, and it is an artificial canal. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea, and Panama Canal connects Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. And coming to South America, we see here 13 sovereign states are present. In North America, we see 23 sovereign states, that is countries. Here, world's driest, driest place is present, that is Atacama Desert, and world's largest river, that is Amazon River, is also present here, and world's highest waterfall, that is Angel Waterfall, is present in Venezuela of this continent. Niagara Waterfalls is present in North America. And here we see in Africa the world's lengthiest river, that is Nile, is present over here. Nile is known as gift of Egypt. Here, Egypt capital is Cairo. And in South America, we see a big country known as, that is Brazil. It is famous for coffee and tea. Here we see in South America largest chain of mountains, that is Andes Mountains, present over here. Next, coming to Europe, here any desert is absent, and it is most civilized part of the world. And in Egypt we see 50 nations, and we see Great Britain, which ruled entire world over in Europe. Next, coming to Antarctica. Antarctica is surrounded by Southern Ocean, or otherwise known as Antarctic Ocean. India's experimental stations, that is known as Gangotri and Maitri, present in Antarctica. And in Antarctica we see mostly ice and penguins. Coming to south of Australia, if we include islands, it is known as Oceania. In Australia is otherwise known as land of kangaroos, because kangaroos are present over here, and most of the parts of Australia is desert, and we see least population over in Australia. Coming to oceans, we have 5 oceans in the world. That is, Pacific Ocean is the largest one, and second largest is Atlantic, and third largest is Indian Ocean, fourth is Antarctic Ocean, fifth is Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is a very biggest ocean. We see all over the globe, and in Pacific Ocean we see a deepest point, that is Mariana Trench, which is over 1700 feet, and we see second one is Atlantic Ocean. This is also the biggest ocean, and it is almost S-shaped. And third biggest is Indian Ocean. It is named after a country, that is India. And fourth is Antarctic Ocean, named after a continent that is also present in South Pole, that's known as Southern Ocean, and fifth ocean is Arctic Ocean, and it surrounds North Pole. And coming to Russia, this country is present in both Asia and Europe, and Moscow is the biggest capital of Russia, and it is the biggest nation of the world. And Turkey is also present in Asia and Europe. Istanbul, a city in Turkey, is present in Asia as well as in Europe. Ural Mountains divides Asia and Europe. Here, in between England and France, there is a channel known as English Channel, and it is between Madagascar and Africa. A canal is present, a separation is present, that is known as Mozambique Channel. Over here, Caspian Sea is present, which is surrounded by 5 nations. That is, we remember by a trick, that is Tariq. That is Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Kazakhstan, Iran, and Russia. It is Russia and Kazakhstan. Tariq. 5 countries surrounds Caspian Sea. And here Baltic Sea is present, and it is surrounded by many nations, and we remember by a trick known as root Germany, cell Poland and Finland. RU means Russia, DE means Denmark, Germany, cell S for Sweden, E for Estonia, L for Latvia, and another L for Lithuania, Poland and Finland. These countries surrounds Baltic Sea, and Aral Sea is present over here, and it is surrounded by Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. Thank you. Please do subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed, and if you have liked my explanation, please do comment. Thank you once again.